All right. Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of our How to Create SkaterXL Mods video series. Today I'm going to go over grip tapes. I'm going to try to keep this short. Just keep in mind as you're watching this that most of the fundamentals you saw in the first video about using the magic wand tool, how to select certain things, a lot of that's the same. But there are a few things specific to grip tape that I'm going to show you in this video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So there's a couple things that I wanted to go over specifically here. First is creating a template you can use forever, just like we did in the first video. We'll create a template we can open and reuse repeatedly for any grip tapes you want to make. We'll go over downloading and creating grip tapes from the internet, ccs.com, other like grip tapes you've seen on skateboards that you might want to make for the game. Creating grip tapes from downloaded images. This means just anything you want. You want to make some Resident Evil or Mortal Kombat grip tapes. We'll go over how to do that. And then, most importantly, creating cutouts for the grip tapes. A lot of people like to have a line, maybe a sticker or something on the grip tape. I'm going to show you a little trick to create those types of grip tapes for the game. They look really good using the method I'm going to show you today. So let's start with creating our template. So what I like to use for my grip tapes, I'm going to go ahead and go to the mod page here. So I'm going to give credit to H Dreams with a Z here. He created a grip tape that's looks new but used a little bit, and I really like to use this template for my grip tapes because it's kind of got the scuff marks from your shoes, a couple little dots of dirt and stuff like that. I really like this grip tape. This is kind of like perfect for me, so this is what I'm going to use, but use anything you want. There's a lot of great grip tape templates out there on the mod website of just blank brand new grip tapes that you can use and stuff. This is just what I'm going to use for this. I'm going to open up the file itself that user created. Okay, there it is. Now to make the template, I mean, you don't have to get rid of the black background. I like to get rid of the black background. I don't feel like it's really necessary. And you're gonna see why I do this. It makes creating the grip tapes a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my magic wand tool and I'm gonna select the background, but here's a problem. There's some black in the edges of this board. So I need to kind of fix this so that when I delete the background, it doesn't delete part of the grip tape. So I'm going to use this little icon, the little photo icon, and switch to this red mask. Then I'll use my paintbrush tool, and I'm going to fix this real quick. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. See, like right here, we don't want to delete this stuff. We need this stuff for our template to work. So I'm going to do a quick fast forward of me fixing this. Okay, that looks good. So now we've got all the appropriate parts selected here. We've got the entire background selected and we don't have any parts of the grip tape selected. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit delete now. There we go, there's our template. Select, deselect. Okay, so what's next here? Downloading, creating grip tapes from the internet. So let's go to ccs.com and find something cool we can make here. Let's use this one. This one's pretty sweet. Alright, so we're going to use the trick we went over in the last video. We got to get the big image of this. So I'm going to right click, go to view page source. Now let's go find the picture in the source code. There it is. Perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and save it. Bruce. Alright, now we'll go ahead and open it up. Alright, something else I want to go over real quick. This is your nose on grip tape, and this is your tail. Okay, let's go ahead and move this over. Now, depending on if your skater in the game is regular or goofy, you have to decide which way you want this to go. I skate regular in the game, so I want it oriented this way, but if you're goofy, you might want to go this way. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this way for now. Go ahead and make this a little bigger. Okay, that looks good. Let me turn the opacity down a little bit so we can see underneath. Oh, perfect fit. Okay, we'll turn the opacity back up. I'm gonna hide my nose and tail here. We'll go to our original layer, get our magic wand tool out. You can see our board cut out there. Now, I know people say you can just use a clipping mask. I don't like to use a clipping mask. I like to just do it this way. I find it a little more simple. All right, and then we'll take our eraser. And there we go. You know what? Cut off a little bit on the nose, but for educational purposes, we're just gonna go with this. Select, deselect, there we go. Our grip tape is cut out and on the board now. The last thing I'm gonna do is just turn the opacity down just a little bit. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, there we go. I wanna see the grip underneath just a little more. I think that looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and save it off. That one's done. Save for web. Again, make sure you're using a ping 24 with transparency. Okay, let's find a grip tape. Just click it, change the file name. Bruce. And again, we will look at all these at the end of the video, so stick around for that. We'll see what they look like in the game. All right, that one's done. So what's next? Okay, downloading and grip tapes from the internet, creating custom grip tapes with downloaded images. Same fundamentals apply here. I'm just gonna go ahead and hide the layer that I already created. And let's just go open up, I have a bunch of logos saved in this folder. So let's just go ahead and make something with one of these logos I have here. Let's say you wanna make a Mortal Kombat grip tape. Let's open up our Mortal Kombat logo. Now I've already got this cut out. Again, same fundamentals. Use the magic wand tool, get rid of the background. Go ahead and move this over. Control T, move that. Get it down to size. I'm just holding shift with the free transform tool. And let's just put it right in the center of the deck. Okay, I'll make it a little tiny bit bigger. Okay, I like that size. Okay, now, again, you're gonna start to notice a pattern here. Let's go to our original layer, select the background, go to our Mortal Kombat layer, grab our eraser, erase the edges. And then select, deselect. Let's go to the Mortal Kombat layer again, turn our opacity down so we can see the grip tape underneath. There we go. We've got a Mortal Kombat grip tape. You can take a picture of anything you want. You can go download logos from the internet, anything, and just create this stuff. Let's name this one MK. All right, and the last one. What was the last thing I wanted to do here? Oh, creating cutouts. Now this is the interesting part. This can really open up a lot of possibilities for what you can do with the grip tapes. Let's say you want a cutout right here and you want it to say like independent or something. I think I have a logo saved. You know, this is just a flat layer. There's no wood underneath this. It's just a picture of grip tape. I'm going to show you how to get that wood underneath. Now there might be other websites where you can do this. I'm not sure. I like to use ccs.com. They have really good images. So these CCS boards, they seem to take a lot of pictures of these, like the top, the sides and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab one here. Let's see what color the top ply is. Ooh, green. Let's see if we can find a different one. Okay, orange. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get this image. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and save this. Top of board. So let's go ahead and open this picture in Photoshop. Okay, top of board. Now here's what we want to do here. Double click our layer. Magic wand tool, get rid of the background. Select, deselect. So what we want to do is take this image and put it underneath the grip tape here. So bring it over. Let's get the size matched up. Okay, and we'll just make sure we want the edges to be lined up. Okay, so I'll have to make this just a little bigger. There we go. That looks good. That's perfect. All right, so now let's move this underneath our main layer. Now we can't see it. So here's where you can make your cutouts, whatever you want to do. So I'm just gonna make a simple cutout right above the tail here. And we're gonna select our grip tape layer. Let's make the eraser just a little bigger here. And here we go. There's our cutout, and you can see the wood underneath, just like you would a regular deck. So let's say you want to put a logo or something there. We go open up, I think I downloaded an independent logo. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of the background on this. Again, I'm not making everything perfect here. Just want to show you how to do it. All right, we got rid of our background. Let's drag this over. Oh, that's a perfect size. So what we want to do is put the independent logo underneath the grip tape, but above the wood, just like you would a real sticker. Okay, we'll go ahead and rotate this. Wow, that looks cool. All right, now again, let's go to our original layer. Actually, you know what? We're gonna use the wooden layer for this because I made a cutout in the original layer. So let's go ahead and select that. Then go to our independent layer, grab our eraser and erase the edges. There we go. We can go ahead and save that one off. All right, now I'm gonna show you one more cool thing that relates to decks. So we're gonna go back to decks real quick and show you how to match up a really good grip tape with a deck that you created. So I'm gonna get rid of the independent logo. Then we've got this orange here, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and save it off with just the orange cutout. Orange. Okay, so we got a grip tape with an orange cutout. So what I'm gonna do now is open up one of the decks I made. So now I'm gonna open up a deck that's already done and show you a really cool trick to get a nice matching grip tape in a deck. Let's open up this one I made in the last video. So we made a blue top here. What I'm gonna do is make that orange. Let's see if that matches. Make it a little bit more. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and throw just a big bright orange line over top of this. I didn't open up the working file, so I'm just gonna make it really bright. There we go. So let's go ahead and save that deck off. Okay, I'll make an underscore orange top. All right, so we got our grip tapes made. We got our cutouts, and we made a deck with a top layer that's the same color as this file right here. I'm gonna show you what that looks like in the game. So let's go ahead and open up the game and look at all our work. All right, character. All right, so let's find the deck. All right, so there's our deck that we made with our orange top right there. I'm gonna select that, and let's go to Griptape. Let's check out our Griptapes. You can see some of the other ones I've made. All right, there's our Bruce Lee one. That looks awesome. Now you see how you can see the orange top ply there like we went over in the last video? There's our independent Griptape. And where's our just regular one? There it is. So look at that. I think I didn't match the orange up very good, but you see the point I'm trying to make. If you make that top ply the same color as the wood top on your Griptape there, it's all uniform. So that looks really good. So that's just a trick you can do if you want some consistency between what color is on the wood part if you decide to do a cutout and the top ply there. Let's see, did I make any other ones in this video? There's our Mortal Kombat one. It is upside down. This board is not correct. I need to flip that so that it's the correct orientation, but again, I'm just trying to show you guys how to make this stuff. That looks really good. Let's go ahead and throw that on. There's our independent one. There's our Bruce Lee one. Actually, let's ride the Bruce Lee one. Yep, the board's backwards, so I'll just have to fix that one day. Not super important. So that's it really, guys. I mean, that's how you make the Griptapes. In the next video, we're gonna go over wheels. There's lots of cool things you can do with wheels. There was a user who created a bunch of custom bearings on the Mod.io website, and we're gonna make some wheels using the bearings that he created. So that's it for this one. As usual, like, subscribe, notify, all those buttons. You guys know how YouTube works. Also, I do Twitch streams every Tuesday and Thursday where I take custom mod requests. So if you've got a board you want made, some wheels you want made, anything like that, join my live stream, follow my channel. I will be doing a giveaway for my first 50 followers in the next couple weeks. So if you want some more information about that, join the streams. Hope to see you there. See you guys.